Road surveyors play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of road infrastructure. In Noida's Sector 62, these professionals are responsible for ensuring the accuracy and precision of road designs. The surveyors in this area are equipped with the knowledge and expertise to assess the existing road conditions and identify areas that require improvement. By conducting surveys and gathering data, they provide valuable insights to engineers and designers, enabling them to create efficient and safe road layouts. Noida's Sector 62 is a prominent industrial hub, with numerous companies and offices located in this area. As a result, the roads in this sector experience heavy traffic flow on a daily basis. The presence of road surveyors in Sector 62 is crucial to ensure that the roads can handle this traffic load efficiently. These professionals are responsible for conducting detailed surveys of the roads, including measurements, markings, and signage. By accurately documenting the existing road conditions, they enable engineers to design roads that can accommodate the needs of both pedestrians and vehicles. In addition to assessing the current state of the roads, road surveyors in Noida's Sector 62 also play a vital role in planning future developments. They gather data on traffic patterns, population growth, and economic activities to anticipate the future demands on the road infrastructure. This information is then used by designers and engineers to create road designs that can cater to these evolving needs. By involving surveyors in the planning stage, potential issues can be identified early on, ensuring that the roads are built to withstand future demands. This network provides a reference framework for surveyors to accurately measure distances, angles, and elevations. By establishing a reliable SCON design, road surveyors ensure that their measurements are accurate and consistent throughout their work. Road surveyors play an important part in the development and upkeep of road infrastructure. These professionals are in charge of assuring the quality and perfection of road designs in Noida's Sector 62. Surveyors in this sector have the knowledge and ability to examine existing road conditions and identify areas that need to be improved. They provide significant insights to engineers and designers by performing surveys and gathering data, allowing them to construct efficient and safe road layouts. Sector 62 in Noida is a famous industrial hub, with various enterprises and offices located there. As a result, the roads in this region see a high volume of traffic on a daily basis. The presence of road surveyors in Sector 62 is critical to ensuring that the roads can handle the increased traffic load. These professionals are in charge of completing extensive road surveys, including measurements, markings, and signage. They help engineers to create roadways that can handle the needs of both people and cars by correctly capturing actual road conditions. Road surveyors in Noida's Sector 62 play an important part in planning future projects in addition to assessing the current